Now that you know selling your private company shares is possible before an IPO, there are several crucial considerations to keep in mind. Any sale of private company shares requires approval from the company itself. Before attempting to sell, it's imperative to review your company's guidelines regarding stock sales. These guidelines can vary. Some private companies may require shareholders to hold their shares for a specific duration before selling, while others might not allow secondary transactions at all. Some companies may reserve a right of first refusal, commonly known as a ROFR, granting them the option to purchase your shares or introduce a buyer of their choosing instead of your chosen buyer. This can significantly impact your selling process. If you partner with a private market platform like Forge, they can provide insights into whether your company permits others to sell their shares in their market. Selling private company stock may trigger tax liabilities. It's crucial to carefully consider the timing of your sale, as strategic planning can help minimize your tax burden. Seeking advice from a financial expert or your tax advisor can be instrumental in your tax situation during this transaction. Considering the financial implications of selling your private company shares is indeed a significant decision. Another important consideration is determining when to sell. Consult with a financial advisor or a tax professional to get expert insights. Consider your financial goals, whether it's to make a down payment on a house, renovate your existing home, pay your student loans, diversify your portfolio, or another financial objective. If you have an immediate financial need, selling some or all of your shares may be appropriate. However, if you believe the shares' value will increase over time and you don't have an immediate need, you might choose to hold off on a secondary transaction. Every investment decision carries some level of risk, so it's vital to choose an option that aligns with your comfort level. Take your time, gather advice from financial professionals, and ensure you fully comprehend the potential advantages and disadvantages. Understand how your decision will impact your personal finances, the sale price, and the terms of the sale if you find a buyer. Forge is a leading marketplace platform designed for private company share trading, tailored to facilitate the trading of private company shares. Forge's purpose is to connect employee shareholders with potential buyers interested in purchasing private company shares. To get started, you need to register on Forge and provide details about your shares. This information will help Forge understand your specific needs and preferences. Forge then leverages its extensive buyer network to seek out potential buyers who are interested in purchasing your shares at a price you both agree on. It's important to remember that finding a buyer at your desired price is not guaranteed. Additionally, your company may have certain restrictions on selling shares, as previously discussed in this video. Once a buyer is identified and a price agreed upon, Forge guides you through the entire transaction process. This includes ensuring that all necessary documentation is completed correctly and notifying your private company that a proposed transaction is pending their approval. In summary, Forge is a valuable platform for facilitating the sale of private company shares, but it's important to be aware of the potential challenges and company restrictions. If you are interested in learning more or starting the selling process, please visit forgeglobal.com and sign up for a free account. We hope this information has been helpful in clarifying the steps involved. Thanks for watching.